Welcome, beautiful breathers, to your guided breathwork session to relieve anxiety. All you need is a pillow and a mat to lay on as we perform a gentle pillow breathing exercise to welcome more relaxation. So if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Keep the pillow by your side as you lie down in Shavasana on your back. Let your legs and arms drop open with the arms comfortably on the side of your body. Palms are open. Make sure you're comfortable and warm here as we will be relaxing in this stillness for the remainder of the session. Close your eyes, allow your whole body to sink into the ground beneath you, becoming soft and heavy. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Coming into this peaceful presence, bring the pillow on top of your belly. Relax the arms to your sides and begin to take nice deep breaths into the belly while keeping the rest of the body nice and relaxed. Feel the pillow rise up as you inhale and retract down as you exhale, receiving and releasing. There's nothing you need to be doing right now. Know where you need to be, except right here, welcoming more relaxation with every breath you take. Notice that it's not just your belly rising up. Your sides are also expanding. You're breathing into the lower back, the private parts. That whole area expands with the breath in and retracts with the breath out. Now we're going to begin to breathe slower here. We're going to hold the breath for a couple of seconds after every inhalation. So inhale deeply, hold the breath for a few seconds, feel the expansion, keep the rest of the body relaxed. And slowly exhale, emptying out the body and mind. Beautiful. And make it more than just breathing air. It's also opening up and receiving fresh new oxygen, new life force energy. And releasing and letting go. Letting go of fear, overthinking, worrying. Let all the heaviness go. Inhale, hold, feel the spaciousness. Exhale, release. begin to move your breath up to your chest. First, breathing into the belly, sides are expanding, and then moving the air up to the chest and the heart center. The belly will draw slightly inwards. That's okay. Breathe in. The air rising up from the lower parts of the belly, moving up to the ribs and chest. Hold. And release. Empty out the body from the chest, ribs, and belly. We're going to take a few breaths like this, as slow as we can, but still comfortable, not at all feeling a lack of air at any point. Just breathing, receiving all the positivity, and releasing, letting go of anything holding you back. Reminding yourself that I am safe. I am healthy. And I am grounded in the strength and inner peace that's within me. Take a deep breath in, inhaling all that you seek. Hold the breath. And breathe out. The worries and anxieties are slowly melting away as you create more space for peace and harmony. If any emotions or thoughts arise, accept it without judgment and just observe from a distance, not attaching yourself to the content of what or why, just observing as is and letting it go. Beautiful. And now visualize relaxation entering the bottom of your feet. Slowly it's rising up to your calves and knees, getting heavier and heavier with the warmth that this relaxation brings. And now move that relaxation up to the legs, up into the private parts, the hips. Let it be heavy here. And move that relaxation into the belly as you inhale. And as you exhale, let go a little bit more. Moving that relaxation up into your heart, feeling this calm presence, and moving it into your shoulders, your neck, all the way up to the crown of your head. Feel the warmth of this relaxation melting away any tension, any stagnant energy. Your body and mind are being cleansed with every breath you take. Beautiful. Whenever you're feeling anxious or worried, bring your awareness back to your breath and let your breath be your guiding force to ground you into this peaceful presence. Not worried about the future or stressing about the past, just here and now with this life force pranic healing energy that's within you. Take your last full breath in, hold. Exhale, remove the pillow off of your belly. Relax your breathing. Relax the face muscles even more. Include a mini smile, smiling from the heart. Connect to the subtle sensations, feeling how open the mind and body is. The nervous system is relaxed. All the systems in the body are back to balance. Beautiful. If you would like to end this practice with me, begin to gently welcome movement into the fingers and toes. Rub the palms of your hands together. Place the palms over your eyes. Gently massage the face muscles and the rest of your body with kindness and forgiveness. Bend the knees and turn over to one side. Make your way up to a seated position in your own time, being patient with yourself. And take this moment now to generate a sense of gratitude for doing something good for your well-being. Sending you love and happiness. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this beautiful breathwork session for anxiety. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more breathwork sessions like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.